Does everything feel the same old humdrum in your life, right? There are times like this. And at those times, it's not about being stuck. It's actually about having a limited perspective. And the card right now that I'm going to show you tells you exactly why. We are exploring the open to possibilities card from the Oracle of the Lake deck and understanding what energy is coming up for you when this card is drawn. It's that limited perspective, being kind of shut in and only seeing what's in front of you and not being open to opportunities and possibilities. A lot of people will think this is an external thing that you have to stay focused and be in this feeling like you're on a train just going nowhere. But it's an internal limit of your ability to be inspired. And this card reveals possibilities are endless and everywhere. It's not about fixing what's broken, it's about finding new possibilities and exploring that journey with curiosity. Like, is possible over here? Is this possible over here? What's possible? Just trying to find that energy and shifting it into a new way of being. This is a fire card, and fire cards about the wisdom to connect to the flame within us, and allowing it to rise from the embers when it's a little dull. So ask yourself, where are you limiting yourself right now? What possibility are you not seeing? What is great about this that you can't quite figure out? And how can you find the inspiration to be curious about it? You don't need to put a lot of effort here. It's just about aligning with curiosity. We all need that alignment to be open to possibilities. So head to the description and I'll show you what to do next. Just hit that link that's there and see how the Oracle of the Lake deck opens your perspective. And I'll see you in the next card.